ورحمة الله
ثم
وبركاته.
أمي لحد
أصحاب
آخر
تأخذوا
يوم في
قناة
عمري
CCM
حبي من
official.
Hi, I'm Trent. Welcome back to Vintage Speed. Today we're going to show you what we're going to do with the Black Beetle. The engine's already been taken out by Leo, so we're still the specs today. The engine will be replaced by a Type 4 engine, which would bring the engine displacement up to 2,700 cc or 2.7 liters. The horsepower that it'll come up to would be 190, and the actual body weight of this car by itself is 800 kilos. The power to body weight ratio would be insane. It'll be MT's new drift car and his track car. Move it down, be on it. Aside from the engine upgrade, we're going to change the transmission to an LSD transmission, and we are currently developing our own rear screw model, which would enhance the performance significantly. This is the other project we're working on, Mini Cooper, and from the last episode on Facebook, you can see that Ender just bought it. Now we're going to rip it apart. We're going to create new parts and replace the old ones. First off, we're going to replace the exhaust. We're currently developing the new one, and one thing that's actually really cool is these bomber seats over here. We're actually going to make it compatible with the compartment size of this vehicle. Now follow me, let me show you how it looks inside. The first thing we're going to do is change and design new gas pedals and brake pedals, and the shifter's got to go. We're going to develop new ones also. And if there's anything you want to see, definitely comment on the box below. We also have a roof rack coming very soon. But first things first, these rims, they got to be cleaned up. And we'll definitely keep you posted on that. So follow me, we're going to show you the next project we're actually working on right now. Okay, come on. Okay, so this is our final project that we're working on right now. Have a look, come on. Do you have any idea what this is? Because to be honest, I don't. But MT's going to tell you more about it. So follow us, and we'll keep you posted. This is Trent for Vintage Speed. Okay, so apparently this isn't really my profession after all. Thank God I didn't apply for this job. Alright. Well, anyways.